Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a sitemap in WordPress with ease and submit it to Google Search Console. There are two plugins we are going to use to create sitemap in this video, and there's a plugin we're going to use to add this website to Google Search Console automatically. So let's get started. Now, if you want to install these plugins, you have to go to plugins, you go to add new. Then I'm going to go to popular. I can also search for the plugins here, but I want to show you, but you can also like install it from here. Now, the first plugin we're going to install is AIOSEO. This plugin is going to help you create sitemap for your website. And also, it's a plugin that is going to guide you through the SEO steps you need to follow in order to improve your website's SEO performance. So I'm going to click install now. Now, the second plugin we're going to install is Sitekit by Google. This plugin is going to help you add your website to Google Search Console automatically without copying code from Google Search Console dashboard to place it on your cPanel or your root domain file. And also, another function of this plugin is that you can view your analytics, you can connect your website to Access, and you can also check your website speed with this plugin. So I'm going to click install now. Now, the third plugin we're going to install is XML Sitemap, which is sitemap generator for Google. This plugin is dedicated for sitemap, which means it has all the functionalities you need to create a professional and perfect sitemap for your website. So I'm going to click install now. Now, three of them have been installed. We have to configure each of them one by one. I'm going to go to install plugin. Now, the first plugin I'm going to activate is all-in-one SEO plugin. I'm going to click activate. When you activate this plugin, you hover on all-in-one SEO from your WordPress admin dashboard, then click on sitemaps, as you can see right here. When you click on sitemap, you will see that there are over 5 sitemaps in this page, but the only one we need is this general sitemap, which means you can enable it right here and click save changes. You can also use video sitemap if you are posting video on your website. You can use new sitemap if your website is about news. Then you can also use HTML sitemap and RSS sitemap. This RSS sitemap is if you want like only your post to be displaying on the sitemap. So, but we're going to use general sitemap. In order to view the sitemap, you can click on open sitemap. If you click open sitemap, you can see your sitemap right here. Now you can just copy this URL here or copy this URL here and place it on Google Search Console. Now, the next step we need to do here is to connect our website to Google Search Console. To do that, we're going to activate this Sitekit by Google plugin. When you activate the Sitekit by Google plugin, you will tick this box and this box. Then you click sign in with Google. In this place, we are going to choose the email we want to use to connect our website to Google Search Console. So I'm going to choose one of my emails. Then I'm going to click continue. Then I'm going to click next. I'm going to click allow. I'm going to click setup. Then I'm going to click next. So yeah, I need to set up the analytics. So all I need to do is just to select it, then click configure analytics. If this is the first time you're using the plugin, we have to accept their terms of service in order to start using the analytics. Okay, so now the plugin has been activated. In order to view our Search Console dashboard, I need to scroll down. So here that is showing Search Console. You can see search traffic for over 28 days. So I'll come to here that is showing source Search Console. I'm going to click on it. Now it's going to direct me to my Search Console dashboard. You can see it right here. This is my Search Console dashboard. Now what you need to do is you come to this your sitemap, copy the URL, then you come to your Search Console dashboard. You click on sitemaps. Then you paste the sitemap here. Now you can see I already have sitemap here, so I can just remove this one and paste another one. I'm going to remove the sitemap. Then I'm going to paste it. I'm going to click submit. Now if I click submit, the sitemap will be added to my search console. Now you can see the showing success and 2 discovered pages. So this is how to the first method on how to create sitemap with AIOSEO and link it to your Google Search Console dashboard. Now the second step is to use sitemap generator, which is XML sitemap by Google. Now, in order to use this sitemap, you need to deactivate this one because you cannot use 2 sitemap functionalities in one website. So I'm going to deactivate this one. Then I'm going to activate this one. Now, when I activate this one, I'm going to go to settings. I'll go to XML sitemap. You can see right here. There are two major settings I need to do here. The rest is okay the way it is. So the first settings I need to do is sitemap contents. Here I can choose the pages I want to include in my sitemap. So I can include homepage, post, product categories, product tags, static page, and categories. I don't need to include these ones. So the second settings you need to do in this plugin is here you have to choose the frequency you want your how you want your pages to be updating in your sitemap. So you can choose always, always, always to this point. You can choose always. Then you can choose daily, hourly, depending on the way you want the sitemap to show, like display your to update your sitemap. Then yeah, you can exclude some categories also if you want. So after doing that, you click update options. Now when you click update options, you come over here, which is the beginning of the plugin settings. Then you right click to copy the link address. Then when you come here, when you come to your Google Search Console dashboard. Now another thing you need to know that since we changed the sitemap, if you reload this one, it will be showing the one of XML by Google. You can see it right here. Now when you come to the sitemap, we're going to remove this one by clicking on it. Then click on these three icons at the top. Then I'm going to click on remove sitemap. I'll click on remove. Now when I remove this, I'm going to paste this. Then I'm going to click on submit. When I click on submit, I'm going to click on got it. Now you can see I have two discovered pages. We hope this video helped you to learn how to create a sitemap in WordPress with ease and to submit it to Google Search Console. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more WordPress tutorials like this.